So it worked. Joe, you want to talk
Nice.
about what this job was today?
Absolutely. So what we did here is we installed a sump pump along the side of this customer's home. We laid the piping behind these bushes that you see over here. We didn't bury any of it. The homeowner is going to come through and redo the landscaping and ask that we leave it on top, so that's what we did. We have it coming out to an emitter right here. His back gutters are connected, as well as the channel drain, so it should be getting everything taken care of.
So what you just saw was the emitter. That's where the water exits. The pipe runs all behind these bushes here and comes to where Joe was saying at these two downspouts that'll tie into this sump pump along with the channel drain. This is just a quick fix we're doing here before this hurricane's rolling in just a couple hours, but we wanted to make sure this customer got taken care of today so their patio and their house doesn't flood in the back. If you guys need any kind of exterior drainage, give us a call or check us out at tampadraindudes.com.